Good morning and welcome to the ARC protocol. And the digital world is buzzing with a single seismic shift in the code of corporate responsibility. While the markets are still finding their footing, Big Tech has just rolled out a protocol that could redefine digital parenting forever. Our lead story today, a move that's sending shockwaves through the sectors of privacy, ethics, and platform governance. In an unprecedented step, a major platform has announced that parents will now be actively notified if their teen's search activity flags terms related to suicide or self-harm. This is not just an update, it's an algorithmic intervention into the most private corners of a family's life. Let's break down the architecture of this protocol. The system is designed to act as a digital tripwire. When a minor's account, linked to a parent's, searches for specific crisis-level keywords, an alert is triggered. This notification, sent directly to the guardian, will also be bundled with mental health resources. On the surface, this is being positioned by the platform as a landmark victory for child safety. Proponents are calling it a necessary tool for an age where parents feel increasingly disconnected from their children's digital realities. They argue this isn't surveillance, it's a life-saving signal flare. For investors, it signals a proactive attempt to get ahead of the fierce regulatory hammer currently being forged by lawmakers globally, potentially stabilizing stock value by mitigating future legal risks. But flip the coin, and the story gets infinitely more complex. Privacy advocates are sounding the alarm, and for good reason. They argue this system could have a devastating chilling effect, discouraging teens from seeking help online for fear of automatic disclosure, especially in households where communication is already strained or non-existent. The core question they're asking is monumental. Does a platform's duty of care override a young person's fundamental right to privacy? This move blurs the line between protection and intrusion, and the debate is just getting started. This leads us to the wider market implications. While this initiative is currently contained, consider it a beta test for the entire tech industry. If this protocol proves successful, either in preventing harm or simply in appeasing regulators, expect to see similar Guardian AI features rolled out across social media, messaging apps, and gaming platforms. This isn't just a feature, it's a new product category, and it forces us to reevaluate how we assign value to tech companies. Is the new premium on user safety, even at the cost of user privacy? In a day dominated by this single tectonic story, the usual market chatter seems secondary. Every boardroom in Silicon Valley is watching this unfold, not just for the public reaction, but for the legal and ethical precedents it will set. That's all the time we have for this morning's briefing. The markets are waking up to a new reality, where the most valuable data stream might just be the one monitoring our children's well-being. The question remains whether this new protocol is a shield or a cage. I'm your anchor, and this is the ARC protocol. Trade smart.